Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just show you forget password part of my cafe management system project. If you have not seen that video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video, I'm going to create a new JFrame for home part. So let's start with that. Let me exit this application and we will move to the home page when we are able to successfully log in. So here you can see we already created the home page, so we have to design in this page. So let us start with that. So first we have to increase the sizes to 1366 768. After that we have to click on OK and we have to save this page, and we have to open the palette and we have to insert the button one by one. So here I inserted the first button. So let me read this and let me write here log out. Okay. After that we have to insert another button and we are going to place it one by one first. After that we are going to rename these things. Okay, buttons name 3, 4, 5 and last one, this one is 6. After that we have to change the name one by one. So this one is for the exit and this one is for change security question. After that the next button, this one is for view bill and order placed details. Okay, this one. And after that we have to write here place. Okay, one more button here we need to change it, and here we have to write let's copy this and let's paste it over here. And this button we are going to use for change password, and this button which we are going to use for place order. After that we are going to select all these buttons and we are going to make it as bold 14. We are going to make it as bold 14. Okay, just close this. Let's check out the size of this frame. It should 1366, 768, correct. After that we have to insert the icon in this. So let me select this images and here we have to select logout and we have to select this. Okay, close this. And after that we have to let's move a little bit down and we also need to select more button for the admin. So we are going to place at the bottom of the page. So before that let's insert all the icon, and here we are going to insert the place order images, and here we have place order, this icon place order .png image. And after that the next which we are going to insert for view bill, okay, it should be image view bill. Okay, so it should be like this one. No, not this one actually. Yeah, view will, it's the first one we have to select. Okay, close this. And for change password we are going to select the icon which we have, this one, not this one, change security, change password. And after that we have to go to the properties again, we have to select the another image for this and change security question. Okay, close this. And at last we have to for exit this application and exit, it should be exit.png image, and we have to close this. Let's place little bit of space in this buttons between all buttons and save this. Okay, after that we have to move little bit down of this page and we also need to place some buttons. Okay, first check out the size of this page. Yeah, 1366, 768. It's according to my screen size. After that we have to write manage category, and we also need some more buttons. So new product and another button, and this one is view edit and delete product, and the last button which we are going to use it, verify users. And after that we have to select all these buttons and we have to make it as bold 14. Okay, just close this. After that we have to insert the icon one by one. So here we have to select images, and for manage we are going to select for manage category, and this one, okay, we have only category.png, use that. Okay, close this. New product, so this one should be images, and new product we have to select. Okay, this one we are using for new product. Okay, close this, and we have to go to the properties. Again we have to select another icon, and here we have to select okay, and we have to close this. Let's save this and let's again go to the properties, and we have to select another image, and the last which we have to select is verify users. Okay, close this. Now we have to move to the center of this page. You just minimize this and let's move a little bit to center this one, and let's check it out. This one is not at center, so let's move this to the little bit right and try to make it as center. After that we also need to change the position of these buttons, so just select this all, and we also need to place it to a little bit center so it look like that. Let's move this down. Yeah, now it's looking at the center. Now go to the properties of this JFrame and click on this so that the min max close button get removed. After that we have to change the layout to absolute layout to insert the images in the background, and after that we have to open the palette and we have to insert label and place it over here, and we have to go to properties and we have to select a image icon, you can say, and home background image.png, we have to select this, click on OK, close this, place it to the perfectly on this screen, and we just need to double click on, you can see the label is visible over there. We have to press the backspace button and save this. Now when we open this, it will open in the full screen, so leave that for now. Now we have to write some line of the code over here, so let's move to the source of this, and we already write this we already created this one, and in this we are getting the value string from the login page. Okay, after that we have to write here public string. We have to create a variable email. In this email address we are going to store the email address which we are going to receive, so let's change this variable name to user and make it as email, and in this email address email, and we have to write here equals to user, and here we have to write email. After that we have to check one condition over here, that like whenever admin login, in that case we have to disable these buttons. No, sorry, opposite of that, whenever admin login we have to show these buttons. If any normal user login, in that case we need to hide these buttons, right? So 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we are also going to change the buttons name so that we can easily identify. Okay, button category, and here change the variable name button new product, and change variable name button view edit delete product. Okay, and at last we have to change the variable, so button verify users, and save this. So we are going to do some changes, like we are going to hide and show. That's why we are using this, we are changing the variable name, otherwise we are not going to change it. Okay, so because we for this we have to only open that particular page, that's why I did not made changes. And let's save this and let's move to the source. Okay, and here we have to write email, dot equals, and here we have to write an email address which you want to make it as admin access. So I'm just writing admin@gmail.com. So for this user, I already registered for this user. You can see admin@gmail.com. I don't want to provide access to this user as an admin. Okay, you can also use any email address you want over here. After that, we have to write here, and in if condition, okay, just save it. You can see error get removed. So okay, we have to write here button category dot set visible, and here visible we have to write false, and the same way button, and here we have to write new product dot set visible. Okay, visible, it should be visible, and here we have to write false. One by one we are going to write button, and this one, and we have to, okay, button dot set visible, and here we have to write false, and button, and it should be verify user dot set visible, and here we have to write false. Okay, visible false. Okay, and in after if condition we have to write some code for this logout page, and so just need to double click on that. It will generate event, and for exit we are also going to generate the event. Okay, so first we are going to write for the logout. So just write here int a equals to JFrame dot show confirm dialog, this one, and here we have to write null, and here we have to write do you really want to close application. Okay, it should be like it should be logout. Do you really want to log out? Here you can write whatever the text you want, you can write it over here. Let me place the semicolon so that error get removed. Select, and after that we have to write here JFrame, this one, and here we have to set for yes no option, and if a is equals to 0, and here we have to write we have to we are just writing the code for this one logout, right? Yeah, so here we have to write set visible. We have to hide this page, so I'm just writing here false, and we have to write here new, and here we have to write the move to the login page, so I'm just writing login dot set visible, and we are making it as true. After that we have to copy the same line of this code in this button and save this, and just right click on this, and we have to click on format. It automatically format, which look good. Okay, after that we have to just need to change over here, want to close application, and we just need to delete these two lines, and here we have to write system dot exit, and here we have to pass the 0. So now whenever we will going to log out, it will ask for confirmation, and it will move to the login page, and when we try to exit this application, then it will close our application. So, and here you can see, we can see also user for admin, it will show different buttons, like it will add display few more buttons, but right now we don't have any active user. Here you can see status is false. Let's update this. So update user, so that we can see that whenever we log in with a normal user, so it should be different. That's why I'm updating it from here. Otherwise I will going to create a module. I already show you in the video. So just write set, here we have to write status is equals to, just write here true, where ID is equals to 1. So you can see it's affected our you can see status has been get to true. So let's test it, and after that we are going to revert that. Okay, So let's run this home page and let's try to log out. Do you really want to log out? When we press on yes, it will log it out. Okay, so let's try with normal user gaurav@gmail.com. After that, we have to write admin and try to log in. Okay, I think the password is 123. So let me try with that. You can see we are able to log in successfully, but we are only able to see these buttons because the email address does not match with that. Okay, so let's again try with like admin@gmail.com, and here we have to write admin, and you can see the buttons are visible right now. So let's try to exit this application. So yeah, everything is working fine related to home page. So this is all about home page. So I hope you guys like this video. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.